Mini unleashes two JCWs that break all the right rules. The JCW-based concepts are the result of a collaboration between Mini and Deus Ex Machina. Mini and Deus Ex Machina have launched two special models based on the JCW models. The ICE-powered model is called the Machina, and it's joined by the all-electric Skeg. They stand out with their special body kits, unique color palettes, and simplified interiors. Mini decided to have some fun with its John Cooper Works line and partnered with lifestyle brand Deus Ex Machina to create two special hatchbacks. The Machina and Skeg pay homage to Mini's racing DNA with their large bodies, custom-designed interiors, and eye-catching graphics. One is gasoline-powered, the other electric, but both are equally impressive. The duo is based on the latest JCW and JCW Electric, each redesigned with special design cues and handcrafted interiors. While the Machina draws inspiration from racetracks, the Skeg leans towards a relaxed, surf-inspired aesthetic. What ties them together are the large roof graphics, the Deus branding, and the deliberately asymmetrical trim that makes them hard to miss. Starting with the Machina, the hatchback features a red, white, and black color palette. Exterior design updates include wide fender extensions, retro-inspired headlights on the hood, a distinctive grille, a Can-Am-style rear wing, and a larger diffuser. The headlights also feature LED bars instead of the standard graphics, making room for additional air intakes. The stripped-down interior features racing seats with 5-point harnesses, a 3-spoke steering wheel, aluminum floor mats, and an exposed roll cage. The modified JCW also features a hydraulic parking brake, which is easier to use than the circular touch-screen menus, and a set of toggle switches on the center console. Despite their aggressive appearance, both hatchbacks use the standard JCW chassis. The Machina is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 228 horsepower, 170 kW/231 PS, and 380 Nm of torque, while the all-electric Skeg delivers 255 horsepower, 190 kW/258 PS, and 350 Nm of torque. Both vehicles ride on the familiar John Cooper Works chassis without further modifications, proving that wild styling doesn't equal performance tweaks. These special hatchbacks won't be in showrooms, but they will be joined by the Mini X Deus Ex Machina clothing line, which will be unveiled at the IAA Mobility Show in Munich on September 8th. Unlike the cars, the clothing will be available for purchase through the Deus Ex Machina network.